Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a Jal Jeera. Which is good for your stomach, for a hangover and just generally a very refreshing drink. For that I have mint leaves. This is my personal take on a Jal Jeera. Throw in mint leaves in the cocktail shaker. We have some chaat masala and throw that in, 2 pinches of it. Around 20 ml of lime juice and some crushed cumin or jeera powder, 2 pinches of that. Then add some soda, about 100 ml, and the same for lemonade. A little bit of ice, and we are ready to go. So guys, shake it up a little bit, or you can muddle it up in your cocktail shaker. Throw in a few mint leaves for garnish. And pour in your. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to add some chaat masala on top of it. And also a little bit of jeera masala. Crushed jeera. Jal Jeera, fresh take on it, ready to serve. Do try this at home and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Desi Bites. This is me, Chef Pranav, telling you to have a great day ahead. See you. Hi everybody and welcome to Desi Bites. Since the festive season is on, I have some very easy desserts for you to make at home. This is called the Frozen Alaska. Now, first you get a bowl, take some vanilla ice cream, then some condensed milk. This is a very rich dessert, as you can see. Just mix that together. Then I'm going to add Oreo cookies. I've got the chocolate flavor. So I've crushed them from one side. You can use a cream flavored ones. I'm just using the chocolate ones because the store didn't have any cream flavored. You can always add some more. So be a little generous with my Oreo. Once you've got this done, take a fancy glass for your mixture in this fancy glass. Now to top this off, I'm going to crush some walnut. Let them, sink inside. And now in the freezer to set, and your dessert is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that simple recipe and do try this at home because it is very tasty. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and do not forget to comment on Desi Bites. I will see you in another fun episode. Till then, you take care. See you. Hello everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a sunny side up, a half fried egg or a half done as it's known in different countries. First, I have a flat pan. I'm using olive oil because it's tastier and healthier. It's good for the heart. I'm just going to grease the pan with oil. so that if the egg goes in any corner, it does not stick to the pan. And you can be generous with olive oil. It's only going to do you good. Set the pan on medium heat. You know, the oil will sometimes tilt to the side depending on the curvature of the pan, but make sure you grease it entirely because the egg will be all over the way I like to cook a sunny side up is keep it on not very low, between low and medium heat so that the white is still nice and soft and doesn't really get very hard. And love a greasy fried egg. Keep dropping little bits of olive oil on it. So this is done. You can let it go as crispy as you want from below. I don't like it really brown. I like it to be a little softer. So this is the sunny side up that I like. Let me just show you. As you can see, very lightly brown, not too much of it being crispy or being fried underneath. The yolk nice and runny. So I'm just going to plate up this, and it's the perfect breakfast the way I would like it. So try this at home, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another episode with another fun and easy recipe. Till then, you take care. See you.